Hey there, welcome back to E-commerce Mastery. Today, we'll be going over one of the more crucial aspects of running your e-commerce business, which is shipping. Specifically, we'll be exploring how you can get your labels directly from Shopify affordably in 2024. While there are many different app integrations to choose from, as a small business owner always looking to save costs, I definitely recommend you look at Pirate Ship. Pirate Ship is a free app that integrates directly with your Shopify store and allows you to purchase and print your labels at a lower cost than going directly to USPS, FedEx, or UPS. Many of the apps that hook you up with a lower shipping cost actually charge you a monthly fee, but Pirate Ship is a free app that does this, which is why I highly recommend it. It is completely free and easy to use, so follow along while I show you how to set it up. By the way, I do need to mention that all the links down below are affiliate links, and we do receive a small referral fee if you use them, which helps keep our videos free for you. Now let's get right into it. So setting up your Pirate Ship is actually super simple. All you have to do is navigate to the App Store, which if you click apps on the left-hand side of the screen and type in Pirate Ship, it should pop up for you. From here, you just click install. Once you install the Pirate Ship app, you will be prompted to create an account. You'll need to add in a password and your address. You'll also want to tick mark whether you use this address as the return address on your shipping labels. From here, you click on create your free account. Now that you have your account set up, it is automatically integrated with your Shopify. Once your Shopify store is connected, you'll need to configure your settings. You're going to want to go to the Settings tab in Pirate Ship to customize your preferences. There are a few different preferences that you can set up to make your future life easier. First, you're going to go into General Settings. You can set up your label size, your label file type, and any type of packing list or gift messages that you'd like to include. As you can see, most of the time, new e-commerce owners won't have shipping printers and know the label size that they're going to be using, which is totally okay. We've all been there. If you're totally new and planning to use a desktop printer to get these shipping labels created, I highly recommend you use a 4x6-inch label. Even as your business grows and you're able to get a shipping label printer, you can continue to use this 4x6 label and won't have to come back and change your preferences. Another option that you can use is a 2x7-inch label. However, many printers will not be able to print this size label, so I do recommend you stick with that 4x6. As you can see, the label file type is already recommended to be PDF, so just stick with the recommendation provided. As you can see, I've also enabled the automatic address correction just to ensure that my packages are delivered correctly. Once I'm done, I'm going to click save, and I'm going to go back into settings to review my saved packages. From here, I can actually create a package type so that I won't always have to go back and insert package dimensions for every single product. This specific store is selling t-shirts, so the package I'm going to save, I'm going to name as t-shirt, and I will be setting it as my default. My package length is 8 inches and my width is 6 inches and my height is 1 inch. And typically my packages are about a pound, so I will leave that at 1 pound. And then I'll click create saved package. Your saved package section will have to be customized to your store and the products you're selling. It's really important to go out there and figure out how you're going to be sending out your product, whether that be in boxes, in poly mailers, and get those measured so that you can save the dimensions within Pirate Ship and save yourself a lot of time in the future. So now that you're set up, I'm sure you're wondering, well, now how do I print a label? And how can I ensure my Shopify orders are transferred in? Well, that's super easy because Pirate Ship does that for you. As you can see in my demo store, I have one order that needs to be shipped out. When I go into my apps and I go into Pirate Ship, if I hit the button ship and import from Shopify, my order will pop up for me. From here, I can click Get Rates, and all the information that's needed to ship a package is already inputted. As you can see, Pirate Ship will provide me rates for USPS and UPS. I want you to notice the transparent pricing. Pirate Ship is offering you the same discounted pricing that's often reserved for large corporations without having to pay a monthly fee. You can then pass on these discounted rates to your customer, or you can actually increase your gross margin by not passing these rates on and saving a little bit on shipping. From here, you can go ahead and choose the shipping option that is right for you. I tend to choose the cheapest option if the package won't be delayed too long. And from here, I will buy the label. Once you purchase your label, you can download it or create a share link for use. Once you download your label, you are able to print it using various methods. Let's go over those methods now. Some different options you have for printing your label. As you're starting out, you may not want to invest in a shipping label printer, which totally is fine. You want to save cost where you can. When I first started out and I would get a couple orders a month, I would print my labels on just regular computer paper, and I would cut the paper down to size and just use some clear packing tape to stick the label directly on the package. As my business grew and I wanted to make things a little bit more efficient and save some time, I upgraded to Avery shipping labels in the 4x6 size. Using these Avery labels allowed me to continue using my desktop printer. I would just load these label sheets into my printer and print off that way. Configuring your printer settings can be a little tricky. However, there are many tutorials that can help you out with that. As my business grew and I was able to invest a little bit more, I purchased a shipping label printer, which made my life that much easier. There are many different options to choose from at many different price points. You just have to find one that's right for you. For example, this Jaden's Bluetooth thermal shipping label works with 4x6 shipping label sizes and is compatible with your phone, Windows, and many people use it for eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy. You're able to print wirelessly or via USB, and the setup is super easy. Another great option, and one that I personally own, is the Zebra multi-purpose label printer. Once again, this is a wireless label printer that is compatible with AirPrint and Android. As you can see, you have many different options to choose from, whether you're just starting out with a simple sheet of computer paper or looking to purchase a label printer. Either way, Pirate Ship is the way to go, as they provide you the lowest cost and do not charge extra for features like tracking. As you were just shown, creating a shipping label can be done in just a few clicks, which makes this process super efficient. And you won't have to get stuck with manual data entry, which can really take up a lot of your time that should be spent on growing your business. You can now start using Pirate Ship when you get an order through Shopify. So there you have it. If you're looking to get affordable labels on Shopify in 2024, Pirate Ship is the way to go. With its competitive rates, seamless integration, and easy to use platform, it really is the perfect e-commerce business solution. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that I can continue making you these videos. And again, if you haven't signed up for Shopify, you can use our link down below to get your first 3 days free and your first month for only $1. Also, be sure to check out the links to all of our favorite e-commerce tools down below. Until next time, happy shipping.